Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this light, fresh spring look. I feel like spring is all about that fresh, clean, glowy skin, so I'm going to be using the Versali Glass Skin Drops right on my cheekbones. Then to add to my glow, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Dewy Set. Then for my eye look today, I'm going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera Palette. I have been loving this palette lately. It has so many pretty colors and they're so spring. The first color I'm going to be using is Estate, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Then I'm going to use the color Coastline on my eyelid, leaving the outer corner clean. Then I'm going to use the color Palm on the outer corner of my eye and into the crease. And this is just going to be a light smoky brown. I don't want to go deep with the colors here because this is a spring look. Next, I'm using Yacht on the lower lash line and into the corner of my eye, and this is just going to give it a nice little shimmery pop. For a little bit more smokiness, I used the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eyeliner in Bourbon, and I smoked it out with my blending brush. And for some brightness under the brow bone, I used the color Sails. Lashes are everything in this look. I wanted really wispy lashes, so I'm using Huda Beauty's Lashes in Noelle. Lastly, lips. I wanted a really beautiful, fresh pink look, so I'm using Winky Lux Rose Gold Lip. And that's it guys, here's the finished look. If you like my channel and you want to see more, please subscribe, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram.